In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a webcam to OBS Studio step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect for live streaming, recording YouTube videos, online classes, or meetings. By the end of this video, your webcam will be fully working inside OBS, including the microphone if you want to use it. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy OBS and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS is open, make sure you're on the main screen where you can see the preview area, the scenes box, and the sources box. If you don't already have a scene created, click the plus icon in the scenes section and create a new scene. You can name it something like webcam scene or camera setup, then click OK. Now let's add your webcam. Look at the sources section at the bottom of OBS. Click the plus symbol to add a new source. From the list that appears, select Video Capture Device. This is the option OBS uses for webcams and external cameras. After clicking it, OBS will ask you to name the source. You can keep the default name or rename it to something like webcam or facecam. Naming your sources clearly helps later when you add more elements to your setup. Once you're ready, click OK. Now you'll see the Properties window for the Video Capture Device. This is where you select your actual webcam. At the top, click the Device drop-down menu and choose your webcam from the list. If you have multiple cameras connected, make sure you select the correct one. As soon as you select the device, you should see your webcam preview appear in the background. If the image looks stretched or cropped, don't worry, we'll fix that in a moment. Before clicking OK, you can also adjust settings like resolution and frame rate if needed. For most people, leaving this on default works perfectly. When everything looks good, click OK. Your webcam should now appear in the OBS preview window. If the camera is too big or too small, click on it in the preview and drag the red corners to resize it. You can move it anywhere on the screen, like the bottom corner for streaming or full screen for recording. Now let's talk about audio, because many webcams also include a built-in microphone. This step is optional, but important if you plan to use your webcam's mic. In OBS, go to the Settings button in the bottom right corner. In the Settings menu, click on Audio. Under the Mic or Auxiliary Audio section, click the drop-down menu and select your webcam microphone. Make sure you choose the webcam mic and not the camera video option. Once selected, click Apply and then OK. You should now see audio levels moving in the audio mixer when you speak. That means your webcam microphone is working correctly. If you don't see any movement, double-check that the correct device is selected and that it's not muted. And that's it. You've successfully added a webcam to OBS Studio and optionally set up the microphone as well. You're now ready to start recording or streaming with your camera fully set up. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.